In this chapter, we're looking more deeply about graphics. I insert shape. As I mentioned before on Smart Art, you could control it for rotation, resizing, and position. If I use while my shape is selected, I could move it left, right, up, and down. Of course, it is gonna work with other elements such as pictures. If I hold on the Shift key and use left and right, I could resize it right and left, down and up. And if I hold on the Alt or Option key, I could rotate it by 15 degrees. As I mentioned before, if you add Control or Command to this combination, you could control the step lower, Alt Control or Option Command and right, left, and Control up, Control down, Control Shift up, Control Shift down. So with these shortcuts, you could decrease the amount of changing. We have two more advantages on Microsoft PowerPoint. Sadly, we don't have access inside of Word. One of those is this combination, two shapes at least together. If I hold down the controller command and drag, I could copy, and we don't have any combination here. So in this case, I recommend you to use Microsoft PowerPoint quickly. I copy that, right click copy or control or command C. Now I'm going to inside of PowerPoint, press control or command V to paste them. Make sure you're on the shape format tab, and we have merge shapes. We could set union, combine them, fragment to break it, intersect, or as an example, I said subtract. Now control or command C to copy, go back to the Microsoft Word. Here I could press control or command V to paste, and there it is. This is our new shape. It's still editable. And I think that's gonna help much, and it is very fast method to preserve your shape and modify it. And one more thing here is, sadly, we cannot duplicate based on the latest change. If I press Ctrl or Command D, it will move down and right a bit and duplicate it. But if I start changing something like that to duplicate, Ctrl or Command D, that's not gonna work. Again, I'm going inside of Microsoft PowerPoint, Ctrl or Command C to copy. Here on PowerPoint, I will press Ctrl or Command V to paste. And now here, press Ctrl or Command D once. Do your step for changing, and now Ctrl or Command D. You see, easily you could duplicate with your latest changes. I will do that again, but this time maybe something like that. Ctrl or Command D. And I think this is fine. Even more, maybe something like that. Ctrl or Command D. And you could select everything. Ctrl or Command C. Go back inside of Microsoft Word. And allow me to delete. And Ctrl or Command V to paste. There it is. Of course, you could group them together. And I could resize all and preserve them together.